And of course I have my trusty degreaser that I'll use on the part, and then I'll mark it and I'll put it back into a plastic bag with the screws and everything that are all cleaned up. The next thing to do is take off, this is what I think, you know, I've never done this before, but I have stayed at a Holiday Inn once, is to take off the water pump right here. And behind the water pump is going to be this gray dealie right here. So let's see what happens. And you can color code these bolts if you want. On the first Dios, on the side covers that went over behind here, they had 18 different sizes, and you couldn't tell. You'd have to put these in and see which ones fit and didn't fit, and it was a jigsaw puzzle, just about. Okay, let's take off this part right here. You want to just take your time. Oh, that's neat, isn't it? Ooh, look at that. What in the hell is that? Okay, now that's the water pump, okay? Now if you look closely, I think that's an O-ring, or part of one right there. And it shouldn't be right there. You see that? That can cause failure. And then of course we have our O-ring on the other side. And you can blow through it, make sure that hole's clear, no crap in it, anything like that. But there is another problem right there. If that's, I don't think that's supposed to be in there like that at all. And there's a whoops, I'm sorry, I should hold the camera bright. I've been working all day and I'm tired. There's a snap ring, which is right here, which holds this in. And you can see part of the snap ring right there, the other part is right down here. So you'll need a pair of snap ring pliers, and of course I probably have mine at work. Now that is the water pump itself. That's what the outside of it looks like. Now we're going to take off the whole assembly right here. Okay, and you can see it's attached up here. Now, as always, when I'm taking these things apart, I like to look and see if there are any major leaks or anything like that. Now here I'm going to have a problem where I'm going to have to take off this bottom part here in order to get this unit off. That, or I'm going to have to take this off. In order to do that, I'm going to have to stop the camera and do that so we can take a look at it and continue. This really is a fascinating motor. It's technologically a marvel, except it's 4-stroke, I mean, compared to the ones I like. Okay.